At Klahanie Chevron on the Sammamish Plateau, we treat all of our customers and their vehicles with the greatest of care. And it shows. I'm the owner, Brad Heimigner. Our customers have not been shy about telling the world how great they think we are. Just read some of our reviews you will find online, on Google, and on our Facebook page. Here's one. Greg says, "These folks are great. It's always good when they greet me and ask how they can help. They save me a bunch of hassle and money with my new tires. Thanks." And another one, Stacy says, "The service shop at this location is what you would hope for in your neighborhood. We have used them more times than I can imagine and never been disappointed." And here's one I'm especially proud of. Brandon wrote, "As a former employee and a current customer, I could not recommend a better place to take your vehicle if you value honesty and quality of work." Wow, thanks everyone. For great Chevron gas, diesel, and ASE certified trusted technicians who treat you well, you can't do better than Klahanie Chevron. Come see us. We're on the hill in the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center.